over half a century ago, 喺隻芒變咗屬東嘅舊書 right? Not about the mountains. They said that Hmong will never come down. They will stay in the mountains, and then a certain general appeared, and he changed that. Can we get a shout out for General Vang Pao? He came down from the mountain, and all of a sudden, Hmong people were allowed to come down, allowed to go to school, allowed to go abroad to study. And it's the same in Paradise. You see, there's some people on stage that may be a little bit new. Nothing stays the same. We thought we would always be mountain people, but here we are, in the best country in the world. So there's a new Paradise. You couldn't, for the fans that are really love Paradise and really love Paradise, that you know that there are some changes. I want to introduce some people. Unfortunately, Hajay and Sina, they couldn't be here with us today, but we do have a new drummer. His name is Charles. Give a rep shout out. We have some family friends helping us out. There's Donnie and Nathan Yang, right?
Okay, so we're all here tonight because in the spirit of Hmong Story 40 celebrating our history, right? And our heritage, okay? And we're here because actually Paradise has been supporting Hmong Story for the past 4 years. Some of us are actually in the project, so helping out and so on, but also as fundraising, in terms of helping out with the fundraisings and stuff, we feel that because we owe so much to our community that it would not be, I mean, we would not feel right if we weren't part of it. So actually we volunteered ourselves to be part of this. Because, you know, yeah, I remember like, you know, back in the early 90s when we first started the band, you know, we weren't singing in a huge arena like this with like thousands of people. We were playing for like 2-3 people, our families and friends, and it's within our community. You know, it's within our community that actually we became who we are. So I want to say thank you to all of you, okay, for making that happen. I know some of you were there when we first started, and you're here tonight, and a lot of you are bringing your kids too. So I really appreciate that, okay.
This next song, Pong came to me to write, I don't know, a really long time ago. And I was totally new to the Hmong music scene. I was green, I didn't know anything, and I never even knew how to write a song, but you know, Paradise gave me a chance, and they said, hey April, listen to this music and tell us what you think. And I thought, what is the one thing that defines the Hmong people? And I thought really long and hard about it, and one of the things is we're a very romantic people, don't you think? We love, we die for it. So this next song I wrote for all you lovebirds out there and all you seeking love and everyone who's always in search of that love.
So blessed to have her with the band.